Introduction of NVIDIA Jetson AGX Thor NVIDIA Jetson AGX Thor Developer Kit. DC Power Microfit Power Connector. QSFP28 Connector Holoscan Sensor Bridge. USB-C 3.1 5 Gbps. HDMI 2.1 DisplayPort. RJ45 Connector 5 GBE. USB-A 3.2 Gen 2. Power, force recovery, reset. Serial debug console USB-C. Power cables. USB 3A to C. $140-watt power adapter. Developer kit contents.
Thank you for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from Tanna TechBiz. Together, stay connected.